Okay, I'm so sorry. I had to make two videos this time because I had the wrong attachment up for you guys. Um, so where were we? I was talking about how you're going to be editing, right? So for this discussion board 3, your peers not posted a whole lot of text. So you don't have to, do a very substantial response to each question. No, this is more of a foray into responding to your peers, as I would like you to do. So you are reading the submitted, exercise on discussion board 3 by all the peers in your group. Okay. Now, if a peer didn't post, remember that you need to select a peer from another group. You should always respond to as many peers as you have. So if somebody didn't post, then substitute that person. If 2 people didn't post, substitute for 2 people. Okay. So again, your own grade will be affected by not posting as many responses as you have peers in your group. So using track changes, and if you don't know how to use that, just look it up on YouTube, really simple. You can write comments and questions in the margins of the text. At the end of the text, I would like you to respond to the first question here. What is, in the simplest terms, is the story about so far? Okay, and maybe it's not really about anything so far, but see, what is it about? How are you reading this? And then at least 3 of the subsequent questions, and you can choose which ones you'd like to respond to there. Okay, so you can just put those at the end of the text. This being said, I want to remind everyone that you must submit in Word or else in the text box in discussion board. Okay, do not submit in PDFs. Anybody who submits in PDFs, we cannot comment on in the margins. We cannot comment on the text itself. So either put it in the text box or submit it in Word. All right, you will be taking your quiz then, and you have your discussion board. Your discussion board 3 is here, and that's what you're going to be responding to for discuss, instead of in lieu of discussion board 4, and then you're going to take your quiz. Okay, so be sure that you've done your reading and that you finished your assignments. Okay, and as always, if you have questions, like why do you make 2 videos on 1 week? Why didn't you get the right attachment up when you were supposed to? I always have really helpful students who remind me of things or who point stuff out. And again, I'm very willing to go back and make any changes. So if anything is confusing, or, if I put something in the wrong place, do let me know. Don't hesitate. I actually appreciate it. And as you may know, if you've had my classes before, I'm very good with email. So I will get back to you immediately should you have any questions. So just let me know, and have a great week.